How do you make sure every service, API, and cluster in your system follows the same security and compliance rules without hard coding logic everywhere? That's where Open Policy Agent or OPA comes in. Assume you have a service, API, and some other system where you have some policies defined for your organization, and the same policy needs to be served across your service, API, and systems. OPA, it's a general purpose policy engine. It lets you decide what should be allowed or denied in a simple declarative language called Rego. Instead of building authorization logic into each service, OPA acts as a separate decision maker. When a service needs to check something, say, can this user access this particular resource, it sends the data to the OPA. OPA evaluates the data against your policy and returns a simple answer, say allow or deny. It's used everywhere from Kubernetes admission control to API gateways to microservices authorization and even Terraform or CI/CD pipeline. In short, OPA centralizes your rules so that you can enforce them consistently across systems. So remember OPA, that is policy as a code for consistent decision everywhere.